now in the modern era, modern endodontics, we have to be very conservative. Being conservative means saving tooth structure. And with the help of new protocols that we developed with new technology, we can reach excellent results being conservative. Good afternoon. I am Alfredo Iandolo from Italy. I am professor of endodontics. I started working in Italy as professor, and this year, in the beginning of this year, I moved with my wife, also she's an endodontist, in France, because now we are working at the University of Dentistry in Besançon as professor. And so my specialty is endodontics, and I am really honored to be here in this for the second time. I was invited, and this is really a great congress, a great international event, very well organized. The topic of my lecture was minimally invasive endodontics, because now in the modern era, modern endodontics, we have to be very conservative. Being conservative means saving tooth structure. And with the help of new protocols that we developed with new technology, we can reach excellent results being conservative. So my topic was to speak about new technology, new protocols for working in a conservative way, but above all, to achieve the success in an easier, simpler way. All the lecture was important because I studied this 1 hour and a half to be interesting from the beginning to the end for the audience, for the participants, and also I created a lot of QR code to that the participants could have the materials at home. It's very well organized. There are a lot of stands, there are a lot of companies that it's possible to try new materials, to try new equipments, to the new device. It's really well organized. All the rooms for endodontic, orthodontic surgery are well organized. So tomorrow I have a live. Dear friends, dear colleagues, I would like to invite you for the next year, for the next Dental World International Congress, because really is an I would like that you all will come next year. Thank you so much.